Hello best friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a get ready with me. I haven't did one of these in forever. We're gonna do my hair and makeup. So we're gonna start off with hair because the hair is the most easiest part. I have my wig right here, and the wig I'm going to be using is from Longqi. It's their headband wig. Okay, let's do some baby hairs because a little bit of my hairline is gonna be showing. So I'm gonna take some Got2b and an edge brush, and I'm gonna just mold my little baby hairs that I normally would. So I'll start off just placing the Got2b on my edges or where I want them to be. Right, so I'm gonna just get them in place. Alright, so now that there's gel on my baby hairs, I'm gonna go in with my spritz. I'm gonna spray my baby hair brush, and I'm gonna go over it with spritz. This is the only thing that will lay my edges down. Alright, so now that my edges are down, I'm gonna go ahead and put a stocking cap on. I went ahead and washed my wig. It smells amazing. I use the Garnier Fructis shampoo and silicone mix, and I let this air dry. And this is the texture of it, so bomb. So I'm going to just go ahead and install that. So again, you have one comb in the front, one comb in the back, and Velcro straps. If you want to see an in-depth review, I do have one on my channel about this wig. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this to my head. I definitely feel like when it comes to this wig, you definitely need braids, or your hair has to be super short or super flat, because it could be a little challenging to put this on. They do need to, I feel like they do need to make different variations of sizes. So I got that comb in at the top, and I'm gonna secure the comb at the bottom. But look how easy and cute that is. And basically all you gotta do is put a cute headband on. So I got a bag full of headbands that I've got from Amazon. So I'm gonna just put on the black and white print right here. I'm not going anywhere special. I'm just gonna go visit family today. It is Sunday. It stretches. It's so cute. And I am going to put this on. Okay, so now we're going to start on the makeup portion of this video. I am going to go in with my LA Girls primer, and I like to put this on my eyebrows. I like to put this all over my face because honestly, I'm oily and I need this primer. This is my favorite mattifying primer, okay? After I put it on my eyebrows, I'm going to take a bit of my Laura Mercier on a brush. This is translucent powder, and I am going to dab it just to set it in place and fill in my eyebrows. So I do my eyebrows in 2 steps. I draw them on first because I have to do that, because if I go in with foundation first, I feel like my eyebrows turn gray and I don't like that. So I have to draw a rough draft of my eyebrows on first. So this is what I'm doing. And after oh, the pencil that I'm using is from MAC. So this is MAC eyebrow pencil in Stud. This is their darkest color. I love dark eyebrows, you feel me? So as you can see, I need to go get my eyebrows microbladed again because my eyebrows done disappeared and I need that. So I like to use Tarte Shape Tape to clean up underneath my eyebrows. I only clean underneath, I don't go on top because I like messy eyebrows. So I usually use this flat Morphe brush to shape my brows how I want it, because when I draw them on, they're usually messy. So I use Tarte Shape Tape in Deep. That's the darkest color that I use, and then I'll clean it up. And so now I'm going back in with that primer, and I'm putting it all over my face. And then after I set it all over my face, I'm going to use my Laura Mercier and put that all over my face as well. This literally keeps me non-oily looking, not greasy looking all day. Like I can literally have my makeup on for over 12 hours and I'll still look bomb. Alright, so this is the step that I do. And I like to be mattified, super mattified, because again, I am oily. So I'm going to go in with my Crayon Case Beauty Blender or sponge, I don't know what they call it on their website, and my LA Girls foundation in the color Coffee, and I'm gonna just go ahead and blend that out. And my sponge is wet. I like to focus majority of my foundation around my chin area because that's where all of my hyperpigmentation is that I am so drastically trying to get rid of. Oh my god. But I am going ahead and just spreading out this foundation. Now this foundation mixed with the Laura Mercier powder turns into a super matty velvety finish. This foundation is already like a velvety finish, but adding that powder to it turns it into something different, and I love it. This is a Beauty Supply brand, so this foundation is only like $5 for me. So I'm going to go in and highlight, and so I'll use my Tarte Shape Tape in Deep, and then I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape in Tan, and I'm going to put a little bit of that in and blend it out together. So this is my Bobbi Brown foundation stick. I use the color Espresso. Make sure you get Espresso if you're interested in this product, because they do have a cool Espresso. And again, that's a cool tone. I like warm tones because my undertone is warm. So I use warm foundations, warm eyeshadows, warm powders. And I'm just going to go in and contour, okay? And so basically I'm going to buff everything out and blend everything together. Installing this wig and doing my makeup only took me 30 minutes. And so I love that because I be on the go. I am on the go with this. I let my sister try this wig after I was finished wearing it and everything, and she loved it. And she's on the go mom, so it's like she was like, this is good for her when she's in between the times of her getting her hair done. She doesn't wear wigs at all, so this is her first wig, and she was like, you know, this is good for her because especially in the summer when she doesn't want to have a weave or anything like that, she could just put this on, and she liked it. She loved it. So I ended up giving her my wig because that's my big sister and I love her. And yeah, and she was just basically was telling me, like, you know, she's the type of person that get her hair done every 2 weeks at the hair salon. Her press and curl, she loved her press and curl. And she was like, on the week that her middle week when her hair is old and she's waiting to go to the salon to get her hair done, she could put this on, and she's been doing it for the past couple of days, and it's been cute. And I was like, oh, I'm excited, like I got my sister to wear a wig. But yeah, anyway, that's a little backstory of why I think this wig is perfect for on the go moms. Like, this is so perfect. And especially me, like, I was wearing this to go run errands and I didn't have to worry about lace. I didn't have to worry about is my lace blending or anything. Like, it's cute. You can get this in shorter lengths, you can get it in longer length, you can get it in different textures, you can jazz it up with your cute headbands, everything like that. So I was like, alright, this is really bomb. Okay, so let's get back to the makeup. I set my face with Laura Mercier, and then I took my Anastasia Beverly Hills powders to contour, which is annoying because they don't make them no more. They discontinue them. So I do not know what powders I'm going to use to contour my face. What do you guys use? Right, if you're my skin tone, let me know what powders you guys use to contour, because I have to find another brand that I could go to get these different shades of browns, because I like to contour in levels. Like, I like to do the lighter levels, and I like to go in with darker levels. So yeah, and I was just showing you guys what 2 pairs of eyelashes that I wear. I'm only wearing 1 pair right now, but you know guys, I usually stack my stuff, but my eyelashes have been really fluffy on its own without me stacking them. So if you're interested in my eyelashes, you can definitely go on my website and you can purchase them on there. And I'm going to take my LA Girls face powder, and I'm in the color chestnut, and I'm just going to buff that color into my face so I won't look ashy or white, because I don't want any flashback. So when I do my makeup, I use a lot of powder, okay? I use more powder than anything. So I have to take my Fix Plus and I spray my face just to like make my face look not powdery, alright? Because if not, I'm gonna look like a chocolate chalkboard, and we don't want that. So this is the Crayon Case lip liner in Bare. What's up, Super? Yeah, this is her lip liner in Bare. This is just a deep dark chocolate brown, and I'm using that to outline my lips. And I'm going to take a lighter powder that's lighter than my skin tone, and I'm going to just put that underneath my eyes to do under eye highlights. And then this color highlighter that I'm using is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I believe this is discontinued also. I don't know why this company always discontinuing the good stuff. Like, this is in the color Peach Nectar, and I've had it for forever. And this is my go-to highlighter. So if you ever see me wearing highlighter, I'm most likely wearing Peach Nectar. And I'm just going to go in and highlight the areas that I normally would. And yeah, so I typically have moles around my eyes, and so I like to go in and put my moles back. So I'm going to use an even eyeliner, and I go in and dot my moles back around my face. But yeah, this is my on the go makeup look. This is the makeup look that I wear majority 9 out of 10 times you'll see this face on my face. And yes, I was just impressed with this. The hair was super soft. I didn't have any shedding. It's a breathable cap. You can interchange your headbands. And yes, I'm on the go, and I'm ready to go see my mama. And until next time, bye best friends. Remember, everything will be down below in the description box. Bye you guys.